Hello, and welcome to this tutorial on importing Wikispace tags and allowing users to log into your EditMe site with their Wikispace credentials. We have already set up and imported a backup of our Wikispace into our new EditMe site. To learn how this is done, view the previous video on exporting from Wikispace and importing to EditMe. As you can see, we are back on the import page that was built when we installed the Import Wikispace module. The first thing we are going to accomplish is importing tags. This setup is optional, as not all sites utilize the Wikispace tagging feature. If you do and would like to transfer them to EditMe, fill in the username and password from your Wikispace, along with the name of the space. If your site address is sample.wikispaces.com, the name of your space is sample. Click Import, and if you've used the proper credentials, the number of tags that have been imported will be displayed. If you are using a default EditMe theme, you will see a vertical navigation list of all the tags and their associated pages in the right sidebar. Finally, we will enable Wikispace login for users on your EditMe site. For privacy reasons, we are unable to migrate your Wikispace users to EditMe in bulk, but we can create EditMe logins for them individually if they log into your EditMe site using their Wikispace credentials. This will allow a user who has access to your Wikispace to self-register on your EditMe site. Once their access is confirmed, EditMe will create their account and log them in. To enable this feature, we will again input the name of your Wikispace. Click Update and your setup is complete. To disable this feature when no longer needed, you can remove the name of your space and click Update again. Note, this feature will not work after Wikispace has discontinued their service, so your users must log into their EditMe site at least once before that happens. For those that don't, they'll be able to self-register if you enable that feature on your EditMe site, or you'll be able to create accounts for them on your site. I hope this video has been helpful in importing tags and setting up users' Wikispace account login.